Spring storms in Kansas City don't just bring hail, they bring storm winds and falling debris that can damage your roof and property. After any major storms, the first thing you should do is stay off the roof. It's not safe and you could cause more damage. From the ground, check for visible signs like missing shingles, lifted shingles from wind, dented vents from hail, damaged gutters, or tree branches on the roof. If a tree or large branch has impacted your home, safety comes first. Have a professional removed before assessing the roof damage. It's also important that you document everything with photos before making temporary repairs. Here in Kansas City, storm season can escalate quickly. A professional inspection helps you understand the real condition of your roof before filing an insurance claim. I'm Francisco with Best Roof in Kansas City. If you have any questions after a storm, we are here to help. 913-318-8097.